Moroadi Cholota, the former personal assistant of ex-Free State Premier Ace Magashule, is returning home. She's expected to land at OR Tambo International Airport anytime now after being extradited from the U.S., where she has been studying. U.S. authorities approved the extradition application for Cholota, who has also appeared at the State Capture Commission of Inquiry. Let's now go to my colleague Khayelihle Khumalo, who is at the airport and watching this particular story for us. Khayelihle, any news on when she lands?
Well, that's right, Bonge. Quite a very culmination point for the South African authorities, as you know, that they work really tirelessly to make sure that eventually this day does come through. But what we know so far is that it's going to be just around 20 to 6 or so, or 17:45 to be precise. So we're still keenly waiting for Miss Cholota to land here in South Africa. But we do have the Hawks here, really, just to give us a sense in terms of the process itself. Once again, Colonel, looking at this particular step, obviously I would imagine this is quite a very important moment for the Hawks, given the context of this particular case.
Of course it is. We've worked tirelessly, not working alone, of course, working with other stakeholders, for instance, critical to this, to what is happening now, that what is about to happen. In fact, the Interpol was a great partner. They are the one who ensured that the process of extradition went well. And as the DPCI, we are about to receive our suspect, a 37-year-old lady who was working in the provincial government in Free State, who will be appearing in court on Monday the 12th, facing assortment of charges ranging from fraud, corruption, and money laundering. And at this stage, we have about 18 suspects accused persons, and about 5 companies that are charged with similar charges. So it has been a long road to get to where we are now, and we are quite content and thankful also for the partnership we've had with Interpol, partnership we've had with NPA as well, and we believe that we have a very solid case. And unfortunately, at this stage, we can't divulge the name of the accused person for obvious reasons. The Criminal Procedure Act is clear. The suspect is only going to appear in court for the first time on Monday. Thereafter, we are at liberty to mention the name. But we have, of course, shared some information about the matter relating to asbestos case that was well communicated and published.
Colonel, let's talk about the mechanics around the official handover. How is it going to happen? Who is with her right now? We're just all waiting here with bated breath for her to come through. Take us through to the process itself.
All right. In respect of our colleagues as well from Interpol, the suspect will land and officially will be processed at the police station behind me. And of course, right now, the lady is in custody of the Interpol. Once that exchange is done, we will receive our accused persons, because she is a suspect on the case that we are handling as the TPCI. And then, of course, from then we will leave, and she will then be in court on Monday. That's how much I can, share with you. Also, of course, being mindful of the security reasons that are there for us as the police, and as well as the public that is here at the airport, and the individual herself. Of course, we also have to protect her.
Most definitely, Colonel. Before I let you go, the extradition itself, working with your counterparts in the US, I would imagine it was quite a fairly easy process, given the fact that you have an extradition treaty already.
Yes, of course, but my colleague will assist in that, Brigadier Mate. But yes, that process it went very well and very smooth. And of course, we were not working alone. We worked with NPA. A great deal of work had to go from our side as the TPCI, as well as the NPA. And of course, neither of us have the rights or to do the process of bringing the suspect this side. Interpol had to also come in and that worked very well. We are where we are today because of that collaboration, and we are grateful and thankful.
All right, Colonel, thank you so much indeed. Of course, Bonge from the Hawks, really talking through about the process that will unfold. We do understand that United Airlines is going to land shortly here at OR Tambo International Airport. I mean, just about the position where we're stationed geographically, right in this precinct, Bonge, we're really just outside the police station here at OR Tambo International Airport. So this is going to be a nerve center where the processes will unfold. But also we do understand that this is quite a very important time for the law enforcement agencies in South Africa. As you know, that the issue of state capture is quite a sensitive one, and also given a very enormous impact that has really just caused in the country. So we will certainly keep you posted as soon as she arrives here.